Oliver plays a game. Each time he plays, he can win a prize of 50p, £3 or £10. When he doesn't win one of these prizes, he loses. The table gives the probability of winning each of the prizes. Oliver plays the game once. Work out the probability Oliver loses. The total probability always adds up to 1. Therefore, we can subtract the sum of the probabilities in the table from 1 to get the probability Oliver loses. 1 minus open brackets 0.4 plus 0.1 plus 0.02 close brackets is 0.48. 0.48 is the probability Oliver loses. Oliver plays the game 150 times. Work out an estimate for the number of £3 prizes he wins. The probability Oliver wins a £3 prize is 0.1. If he plays the game 150 times, we need to multiply 150 by 0.1. This gives us 15. Work out an estimate for the total value of the prizes he wins. To solve this, we need to know the number of 50p and £10 prizes Oliver wins when he plays the game 150 times. We will follow the same method we used in the previous part and multiply each probability by 150. 150 times by 0.4 is 60. 150 times by 0.02 is 3. Now we have the estimate for the number of prizes for each prize. We now need to multiply that by the prize value and add them all together to get the total value. 60 times 50p plus 3 times £10 plus 15 times £3 gives us £105.